Hey guys, so you want to learn how to add a custom thumbnail to YouTube? How about even better? I'll show you guys how to add a custom thumbnail to YouTube for free. You guys are going to absolutely love this training. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's cue that intro and get it rolling. Hey guys, I'm Rachel Peterson. I'm a social media strategist and digital marketing agency owner. Now I'm super excited to share with you guys how to add custom thumbnails to your YouTube. But why I'm so excited about this is I'm going to teach you guys how to do the whole process for free. Did you hear that? For free! Yes, please. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I'm a huge believer in bootstrapping a lot of the process of starting a business and or a YouTube channel. So we're gonna dive on it and have some fun. Now, before we get started, I wanna invite you guys to create subscriber trains in the comments. So comment below with your handle name and what your YouTube channel is all about. And if you see someone else's handle and or topic that grab your interest, let them know that you're subscribing to them in the comments below. So that way we can create these awesome follow squads in the comments beneath this video. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a few of my favorite resources. The very first being Unsplash. Now Unsplash is a totally free website. I love it because you can find awesome collections that are any of these here. You can search through collections or just explore through a homepage of photos. Or if you're looking for something in particular, you can just search for it and find gorgeous, free, high resolution photos. I absolutely love free. So anyone else love free, by the way? If you do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Now I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I would do. Let's say we're doing a video about being a working mom. I might search for working mom, and it looks like there's some good videos here that I could use. Let's say working parent. Working parent. Ooh, this one's great. That's amazing. A bunch of kids working with the parents. There's some good options, and you're basically going to put in different terms that ultimately bring you to the the photos that you want to find. So you might try work at home. That might be a good one to try if I'm looking for photos of someone working from home. Some of these might work. These are perfect. So I like to use Unsplash for some photos, but I am going to show you guys another resource that I like to do because this is actually something I really pride myself in, and that is taking selfies like a total boss on my camera phone. So when I go into Canva, which I'll explain to you guys in just a moment, I have a lot of photos that I've taken on my phone, which is really neat. So for example, this one here I took on my cell phone. We'll see what other ones we have. This one here is obviously from a TikTok. We've got more photos coming up. A lot of these are professional, but this one here is from my phone. This one's here is from my phone. I like to take selfies on my iPhone in portrait mode, and I use those for most of my photos in my cover photos, in my custom thumbnails for YouTube. So I just want to encourage you, just because you don't hire a photographer doesn't mean you can't have really great images. But I'm about to absolutely rock your world with Canva. Canva is a free resource that we literally build the majority of our business on. I'm not even gonna lie. I've actually built out templates for our YouTube videos, and so I save those here. But what's amazing about Canva is in the free version, there are so many functionalities, and if you pay I think it's $10 or $15 a month for the paid version, there are so many more functionalities. It's not even funny. I'm going to show you guys kind of what it looks like. So I'm going to create a design. Now I know one of these is probably the right dimensions. I think it's something like Facebook ad, but I know what the design dimensions are for a YouTube custom thumbnail. So we're just going to go ahead and enter it right here. Right now, 1280 by 720. That is the perfect dimensions for a YouTube video. Now what's awesome is there's all of these cool templates that you can use for any of your thumbnails, which is really neat. I personally like to start with a blank one or with my own templates that I've created, but I'm going to show you guys from the ground up how to quickly put together a thumbnail. So for example, I might pick a background color. Let's say we're going to do orange. I like ones that are very clear and easy to see. So we might do, anytime I've used that one, it hasn't done very well. Let's do, this image looks nice. It's not my favorite, but it's eye-catching. Okay, so next up we're gonna go to uploads. Now this is where you can upload those cell phone selfies on here. And so I'm gonna grab a photo of me. I like to have a smiling face or a face expressing emotion in my cover photos. I think that that's a really helpful part of the process. So maybe it's that one. And now this is really, really neat. Canva has this awesome option called background remover. And with the click of one button and just a little bit of patience, you can remove the background from any image with a person in it. And it's pretty darn reliable. It's a little bit messy when it comes to hair sometimes, but check that out, you guys. That only took a couple seconds. I used to waste so much time removing backgrounds. So I like to have about 1/3 of the image taken up with a picture of me. And then because this was taken from a photo shoot where everything was edited to be a little more like, or I guess less colorful, we're gonna add in some color on the filter here. Now, let's say we're gonna be talking about YouTube. Let's see what free elements are available. So check these out. This is free, this is free, this is free, this is free. These are all free, which is awesome. So I can use any one of these that I want. Let's pretend I'm gonna use this one. Now, I may do something a little bit crazy and we could make it a little more opaque. And I may duplicate it to make a bunch of these and create like a pattern, which is kind of neat. And turn it just slightly. Isn't this kind of fun, you guys? It's pretty simple to put these together, which is really nice. And I need that to absolutely be turned. There we go. I'm gonna put this down at the bottom. So that's kind of just like a fun background that makes it clear that this one is in particular is about YouTube. And now we can use text templates to easily create the header. I really like to actually use these little blocks. I'll make them black or white and then opposite colored text. So let's say, for example, that's the first one, and maybe we do 3 of them. And now I'm gonna pick some text and add it on in. Isn't this pretty easy, you guys? Like, this is, I think, as simple as it gets. So, how to create, and then of course you can make this bigger, you can make this smaller, you can edit this text until it's right. But basically you're gonna play around with this until you like how all of this comes together. And then I usually like to add 1 or 2 elements that's not translucent. So like if we were doing a video about YouTube videos, then I would want to add 1 more element that was not translucent. And I may add that up in this corner or over by me, just to make it super clear. This is about YouTube. And then I would go ahead, once I'm happy with how everything is arranged, I'm gonna go ahead and hit save, and then I'm going to download it. And download. I downloaded it as a PNG. Now, of course, you can use images from Unsplash after you've downloaded them by uploading them to the Upload tab, but everything about Canva is free unless, of course, it has a $ or says Pro on it. So it's really, really helpful. Now I'm going to show you guys how to add this to your YouTube videos that you've, of course, uploaded. So once you upload a YouTube video, you'll see all of this area here, and you're simply going to hit upload thumbnail, go to your downloads, and we'll pretend this is a finished thumbnail. We're going to go ahead and hit select, and there it is. You hit next, and once you publish your YouTube video, you've got that gorgeous custom thumbnail for free. Now, my question to you is, how many times are you going to upload per week? What is your commitment? Now, a huge part of building your YouTube channel is about consistency. So for example, at the time of recording this, I currently have 10,200 subscribers, and consistency is key. I put out 3 to 5 videos every single week. What is your commitment? How many videos are you gonna produce per week? Comment below and let me know. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video, did I say video? Give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next training. Bye guys.